Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can edit videos in your iOS device. So on the first step, open the gallery and now just look for any video. You can just use the album for it. Now if you want to edit it, just click on this little icon, and as you can see it will have few options to edit, so you can crop the movie, change the color grading, the exposure, shadows, contrast, etc. We can add a filter, or just crop the size of the video. You can also use the mirror effect, or just turn it. Now click on the done, and decide that you will make a new clip from it, or just save as an exist video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.